Silicon plays a really cool dual role here too, offering both direct physical defense and indirect sort of chemical defense strategies against insects.
Okay, physical first. How does silicon physically deter bugs?
The main mechanism is the deposition of silica, basically microscopic bits of glassy silicon dioxide in the plant tissues. These are called phytoliths.
Phytoliths, okay.
They accumulate mainly in the epidermal cells, the outer skin of leaves, stems, sometimes roots. In rice, this can form a tough silicon cuticle double layer. It just makes the plant tissues harder, more abrasive, more difficult for insects to bite, chew, or penetrate.
Like wearing microscopic armor.
Exactly. In sugarcane, this hardening of the stem helps against stem borers. Studies in rice show silicon application can increase the number and size of these silica cells, maximizing the barrier. Plus, some plants develop sharp, silicon-rich hairs called trichomes that can physically impede smaller insects.
A fortress and spikes. Okay, what about the indirect chemical side? How does that work?
This involves something called herbivore-induced plant volatiles, or HIPVs. These are airborne chemical signals released by the plant when it's under attack.
Smells that signal trouble.
Basically, yeah. And these smells can attract the natural enemies of the herbivore's predators or parasitoids, like tiny wasps that lay eggs and caterpillars.
Calling for backup?
Precisely. Research shows silicon can alter the blend of HIPVs a plant releases. For instance, silicon-treated rice attacked by the leaf folder insect released a different volatile mix that was more attractive to the parasitoid wasps that target that pest.
Wow, that's sophisticated.
It often involves a plant hormone pathway called the jasmonate pathway, which is known to trigger defenses against chewing insects. Silicon seems to interact with this pathway.
Okay, so tougher tissues calling in the cavalry.